Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Faruk's. In this video, we are going to learn 5 important idioms. So, we start our learning. Number 1. Tit for tat. Tit for tat means an equivalent given in written. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো ইট্টি মারলে পাটকিলটি খেতে হয়. For example, she didn't send me a card. I think it was a tit for tat because I forgot her birthday last year. Another example, his dismissal from service was a tit for tat of his misbehavior. Number 2. Learn by heart. It means to memorize something perfectly. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো মুখস্থ করা. For example, she learned it by heart. Another example, he learned the poem by heart. Number 3. Red letter day. It means memorable day. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ও আনন্দের দিন অথবা স্মরণীয় দিন. For example, 16 December is a red letter day. Another example, the day I first set foot in America was a red letter day. Number 4. Read between the lines. Read between the lines means to read carefully to find out any hidden meanings. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো তাৎপর্য বোঝা. For example, read between the lines, I think she needs money. Another example, read between the lines, I would say Shanta is not very happy. Number 5. Give a wide berth. Give a wide berth means to avoid something or someone. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো কোনো কিছু থেকে দূরে থাকা অথবা কাউকে এড়িয়ে চলা. For example, we should give a wide berth to bad characters. Another example, people tend to give him a wide berth because he looks so strange. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next time in next video. Till then, take care of yourself and be safe. Bye bye.